Do you know, guys, I'm very hardworking girl and I have done a lot of work today. So basically in this video, I'm going to share with you what I have done today. So firstly, I woke up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Then I performed my Fajr prayer. After that, I studied like 1 to 2 hours. Uh, then again, I felt like sleeping. So I take a nap for 2 hours. Then when I woke up, I saw my bedroom in such a bad condition. So frequently I started cleaning my room and I have decorated my room according to my taste. So let's have a final look in my room. As you can see, firstly I changed the bed cover because the current one was very dirty. Then I swapped all the food and furniture, and you can see here I am keeping some vases because flower enhance the beauty of the room. All of my nail polish collection here. Also, I put all of my chain watches here. There is also lipstick behind the watches. And here is me. And look, the another side of the dressing table, I keep all of my belt watches here. Here also some lipstick and nail polish collection. And here I put another flower vase. If you notice, guys, you can see vases and dolls in every corner of my room. Meanwhile, I am placing all the dolls here. As you can see, it's like a dolls family. Like the red one is father and the yellow one is mother, and they two are their children. And here is their grandfather. And it is white color. You know, guys, this doll height 6 feet. Can you imagine? And look, in this dressing table, I'm putting another base. Actually, it is an earthen pot and I'm keeping flower inside the earthen pot. Don't forget to comment below, guys, how this flower vase look like. Here, I also store various other pieces of jewelry which I use regularly, such as ring, earrings, and bracelet. Meanwhile, I have tied the curtain with a roof here because the curtain falls in the wind, and here is a beautiful sofa. Look how beautiful the sky today. This is my study table. Here I have kept all of my academic book, and in this side my IELTS book, and here is my laptop also. And see, here I am hanging a floral top above the table. Here is my daily routine, like from the morning to evening what I have to do. And here is a nice wall mat in the wall. Look how beautiful the sky is today. Actually, today's sky seems much more beautiful to me. And right now I'm thinking, if I were a bird, I could fly in the sky. Really, it's actually a very nice feeling. On the other side, there is a balcony that used to be filled with flowering plants. However, since all the flowering trees have died, so now there are only a few aloe vera tree plants available. So guys, that is it for my today's video. Hope that you like this video. If you like, don't forget to give a like. Also share with your friends. And yeah, don't forget to give a share your idea how you like to decorate your room. So quickly write a comment below with your ideas. I will definitely check. Tata, take care, and Allah Hafiz.